am continuing my journey on mastering my crochet skills with the book Crochet Secrets from the Knotty Boss. Today I will be doing the chainless foundation, if I can figure out this paper clip first. This one was kind of hard for me, and I did it multiple times to try to figure out how to make it look correct. The directions indicate that I need 2 pieces of yarn. So you pull it out and start in the middle, and they should be the same length. You're going to see very quickly that the struggle is real. I need to learn camera position also, I guess. I'm reading the directions. I don't know if I will keep this one in my repertoire or not. I wasn't thrilled with how it looked when I finished. It would certainly need a lot more practice than just one or 2 times through to get a consistent looking foundation cord on the bottom. I definitely need to put my hands out farther as well. Nope, still not happy with it. Trying again. Finally starting to get kind of the rhythm of it, of understanding what the pictures show and what I'm supposed to do. The tension is very difficult because of having the 2 strands and trying to keep them untangled, obviously. And what do I do with them? So that was my first attempt, and I'm not happy with it. It's lumpy and chunky and kind of all over the place. So frog it goes. Time to try again. The struggle is real as I try to figure out which way the yarn is supposed to go. I will eventually find a rhythm of this, but it takes me a minute. I'm going to fast forward it to the end of this clip, and then we'll pick it up again later when I have a better understanding of what's going on. Well, you can see that I've tried again, and I have completed a pretty lengthy foundation cord, but it is not pretty. Look at all those chunks and lumps and bumps. I don't know if they'd work themselves out if I actually tried to use that for a project, but really not happy with it. I just don't like the way it looks, and it's definitely a tension issue for me of being able to hold the two strands, and I think that each spot that you see a little lump there is a start and a stop. So I'm gonna frog it again and try again to see if I can create something a little bit better. I think that first stitch, even on a chain, is probably always the hardest to make. At this point, I've kind of gotten the rhythm down a little bit better, an understanding of which way the two tails go over the hook to make the cord, so it's a little bit faster for me. So I'm going to speed it up again, and we'll see if I come up with a better result than the last time. Coming to the end of my last try for this video, and it is much better than the previous tries. It's just not fantastic. This is something that I will definitely need to practice and work on if I want to master it. It's not as easy as it looks, and coming up with a consistent result was very difficult for me. Again, I think that's a tension issue, and I'll need to work on how to hold the yarns and how to hold the project in general to come up with a better result. But for now, I'm happy with the attempt that I made. Here at the end, I'm just adding a few stitches to see how it works, crocheting into the cord itself. Also not that easy. That would definitely take some more practice on my part. I'm very happy that I attempted it. and we'll need to practice more in the future.